There we go. Can you hear me? I'm trying to see if the volume is better. I got this little mic, but this is too short. I need more. This would be in my way when I'm recording. Don't you see? Hi, I'm recording. It's recording. Let's see if it will focus. Okay. Focus back on me. Very nice. How about this? Okay. Back on me. Very nice. This is the lens I'm going to be using because it's doing exactly what I need it to do. Focus. Very nice. Back on me. Very, very nice. All right, so this is it. This is what I like. What I like. Let me see. What else? Doing my makeup, moving here and there, to and fro, still focused. Very nice. Very nice. This mic, I kind of don't like it. I need a longer one of these. Coming closer. Lurking good, okay? Let's pause it.